Everybody, if you face this problem on WhatsApp, today we show you the easiest solution. So let's do it. Open first your settings of your mobile phone. Next here click on apps option and search for WhatsApp and click. You're gonna see this list, scroll it down, click storage, click only clear cache and you need to back, click add force stop and click OK. Click add battery and click optimize it. Next, go to Play Store or App Store, open it and search for WhatsApp. When you found here the update button, for me I don't have it because I already updated my WhatsApp. So update it, and after updating your WhatsApp, go restart your device and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you next tutorial.